Headaches are a common conditions that many people deal with on a daily basis. Ranging from uncomfortable to downright unbearable, they can disrupt your day-to-day life. Several types of headaches exist, with tension headaches being the most common. Cluster headaches are painful and happen in groups or clusters, while migraines are a moderate to severe type of headache. Although many medications are targeted at relieving headache symptoms, a number of effective natural treatments also exist. Here are 10 effective home remedies to naturally get rid of headaches. Number 1. Drink water. Inadequate hydration may lead you to develop a headache. In fact, studies have demonstrated that chronic dehydration is a common cause of tension headaches and migraines. Thankfully, drinking water has been shown to relieve headache symptoms in most dehydrated individuals within 30 minutes to 3 hours. Number 2. Take some magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral necessary for function in the body, including blood sugar control and nerve transmission. Evidence suggests that magnesium deficiency is more common in people who get frequent migraine headaches. Number 3. Limit alcohol. While having an alcoholic drink may not cause a headache in most people, but alcohol can trigger migraines in about 1/3 of those who experience frequent headaches. Alcohol has been shown to cause tension and cluster headaches in many people. Additionally, alcohol acts as a diuretic, causing the body to lose fluid and electrolytes through frequent urination. This fluid loss can lead to dehydration, which can cause or worsen headaches. Number 4. Get adequate sleep. Sleep deprivation can be detrimental to your health in many ways and may even cause headaches in some people. However, getting too much sleep has also been shown to trigger headaches, making getting the right amount of rest important for those looking for natural headache prevention. Number 5. Avoid foods high in histamine. Histamine is a chemical found naturally in the body that plays a role in the immune, digestive, and nervous systems. It is also found in certain foods like aged cheese, fermented food, beer, wine, smoked fish, and cured meats. Studies suggested consuming histamine may cause migraines in those who are sensitive to it. Number 6. Use essential oils. Essential oils are highly concentrated liquids that contain aromatic compounds from a variety of plants. Peppermint and lavender essential oils are especially helpful when you have a headache. Applying peppermint essential oil to the temples has been shown to reduce the symptoms of tension headaches. Meanwhile, lavender oil is highly effective at reducing migraine pain and associated symptoms when applied to the upper lip and inhaled. Number 7. Try a B-complex vitamin. B vitamins are a group of water-soluble micronutrients that play many important roles in the body. Some B vitamins have a protective effect against headache. B-complex vitamins contain all 8 of the B vitamins and are a safe, cost-effective way to naturally treat headache symptoms. Number 8. Soothe pain with a cold compress. Using a cold compress may help reduce your headache symptoms. Applying cold or frozen compress to the neck or head areas decreases inflammation, slows nerve conduction, and constricts the blood vessels, all of which help reduce headache pain. Number 9. Try acupuncture. Acupuncture is a technique of traditional Chinese medicine that involves inserting thin needles into the skin to stimulate specific points on the body. This practice has been linked to a reduction in headache symptoms in many studies. If you are looking for a natural way to treat chronic headaches, acupuncture may be a worthwhile choice. Number 10. Relax with yoga. Practicing yoga is an excellent way to relieve stress, increase flexibility, decrease pain, and improve your overall quality of life. Taking up yoga may even help reduce the intensity and frequency of your headaches. Many people are negatively impacted by frequent headaches, making it important to find natural and effective treatment options. Yoga, supplements, essential oils, and dietary modifications are all natural, safe, and effective ways to reduce headache symptoms. While traditional methods like medications are often necessary, there are many natural and effective ways to prevent and treat headaches if you are looking for a holistic approach.